Welcome to Corban's Fun Learning Adventures. Hi, I'm Corban and that's Mommy.
Hi.
And today we're going to be doing an egg volcano. So stay tuned. The first step is to combine water, baking soda, and food coloring. Food coloring is optional, but I just want to use it to make color. And we're going to make a paste. Now mix it. Yeah, there's our paste. Paste. This is our paste. Next step is to fill a cup halfway with vinegar. Oh. Now I have my boiled egg and I'm gonna paint it with the paste that we made. First you put your gloves on and then you paint the egg. Now I'm gonna put the egg in the vinegar and we'll wait for the volcano to happen. Ooh. Oh! Look at that. Oh, whoa! It's so cool. And you can see it, look at the little particles jumping out. I know what to do. Let's dip this in here. Oh! Thanks for watching. Bye. Remember to subscribe. Bye. See you in the next video. Bye.